hurry.
I think he's gone. What was that?
I'm really hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry.
Oh, I always knew you guys had problems, but I never realized how bad it was.
Have you eaten today, son?
No, I haven't, but Are you kidding me? Cheese and chocolate are two of my favorite things. Dude, stop. You clearly don't like it. My body just has to learn to like it. See, such is the power of the mind over the... It's not for the best that you're forbidden to be who you really are, but there's no... Shh. What do you want me to do?
I guess I can run by the toy store. Your pizza will be there in 45 minutes.
I don't have 45 minutes. Faster!
Fine, if I skip my break, I can be there in half an hour. Fine, if I run the red lights, I can be there in 15 minutes.
That is acceptable.
Illustrate the situation. Here's a pie chart.
Turn it off! My charts make me hungry.
Oh, where's the pizza? So hungry I'm beginning to digest myself. I'm on my way.
Sir, could you keep your sound system down, please?
That's my stomach, officer! I'm so hungry! In fact, I'm so hungry I think I'm hallucinating. Kinda like hunger.
I'm sorry. Eating healthy is harder than I thought.
My boss owns the copyright for the seeds you used. I'm so sorry.
What are we supposed to eat?
What are we supposed to eat if the rich keep poisoning us?
Dad, that milk was rotten.
Oh, be quiet.
It's okay. I guess I was foolish to expect you to understand what I made anyway.
Anais, I'm sorry.
I can fix it.
Dad, are you okay?
Maybe it would be best to just let him take over for a bit. Hey, he couldn't have been that intelligent if he wasn't smart enough to love you three. Oh. Now, if you'll excuse me, please.
I'm glad she's gone.
What's going on? What's happening?
Get her back!